The next type of view is inline view. So it is after select a statement from okay, here onwards you are going to write the subquery, and if subqueries are available, then type of view is called inline view. Materialized view, there is a keyword called materialize. Normal view we used to create it as create view name. But materialized view we have to create with the keyword materialize space view. Then this results will be stored permanently in the memory. Okay, so that is the difference between materialized view and other type of views. So far we have learned four type of view: simple view, complex view, inline view, materialized view. The concepts you have known. Now we are going to learn about how to write the query in detail. So how to create a view? Okay, so as we have learned, the syntax is create view name. Any name you can give. Ask followed by select which are the columns you want to select, from which table you want to select, and then it is followed by the where condition. So then you will get the result. For this table, the table name is student details. We are going to view only the name and address, but it is going to be okay with the condition where ID numbers are less than 5. So only first four records are going to be printed except this SID column, right? So the view is created. Okay, when you execute this query, okay, you will get the answer like the view created successfully. But you cannot see the view. Okay, that means the table will not be displayed. So what you have to do, you have to execute the second query. That means select star from okay the view name. When you have given, then only this table will be, or the table belongs to the views will be clear displayed to the user. This is how. Okay, so now we have set select okay tick 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 mark, and in the Flipkart application, okay, different parameters you have selected based on condition. When you say apply, okay, at that time this is going to be called and this is going to be executed. This is the part which is work with only one table. Then there is a multiple table based query. Okay, that is the second type of query, the second type of views, multiple views, simple view, multiple view. So this is multiple view. So here there is a table called student details, student marks, right? Two tables are there. So how to merge these tables and how to work on it? Okay, so definitely some of the common columns are supposed to be presented. So here also it is SID and name and address. Here it is ID and here it is age. These are the two other columns are added, but it is not SID. So you cannot work with yes ID and age. Instead, okay, when you write where condition, okay, the columns are supposed to be same. Okay, based on that only you can write the condition. So how you will start the query? Create view name as select. Here when you select the columns, okay, you have to mention the object name, that is the table name. So here it is student details, and we are going to fetch the name and the address of the users. And here we are going to fetch only the marks. So these are the three columns. Finally, it is going to be displayed from this view. From which table? That is these two table names we have to mention and followed by the where condition. We are writing this name is okay from the table name. Student details are equal to student marks. Okay, only those details we are going to fetch and print it. Okay, for example, Harsh is there. Okay, here also it is there. Suresh is not there. Ashish is not there. Pratik is there. Dhanraj and Ram. So four records it's are fetched and it is printed. So two tables, when you want to combine, you have to access each columns with your table name as an object name dot. You have to fetch the field or the column name, and then you are writing the where condition where where condition when you write it is supposed to be present in both tables. Okay, so when you put select star from this view name, you will get the view which are created will be displayed. This is called multiple views, and this is a way you can create a view. Next operation is delete views. How to delete a view? So very simple, drop view name. So that the view is not going to be listed, it is completely going to be destroyed in the virtual memory. Okay, so drop view, the view name which was created already. Okay, so this is because the same view name, if you want to again use it somewhere for some other purpose, okay, at the time sometimes if you don't want it, okay, then you have to go for drop view name. So this is syntax of dropping the view or deleting the view. How to perform update operations with the view? Already I have written a view that is stored in marks view. Okay. The same view I'm just going to do some updation with age column also from the second table if I want to fetch. Okay. Then I have to go for the query call create or replace view name. Okay, so this is the syntax. Okay, so this keyword will be useful, this statement which is supposed to be written like create or replace view name. Rest everything is same, but third column alone we are fetching from the second table, right? And if you want to view it, okay, you should go for select start from the view name. So this is how the existing view, if you want to add something more, okay, then this can be done with the help of it. Okay, the view is created, okay, and it listed with some values. Now I want to add something more inside it. Already the view is created. Okay, the view is created with only four rows. Now I want to add these data as well. Okay, so what you have to do, you should go for insert query. Okay, insert into okay, insert into view name, not table name. This is called view name, and against which are the columns, okay, which values you want to enter. Okay, and then when you select it, okay, the view will be updated with the row which was inserted by this query. Okay, so this is how we can do modifications with the, that is the manipulations with the but manipulations are possible only with a single view, okay, or a simple view. And how to delete? Okay, so drop means the complete views are going to be removed, right? Destroyed. But if you want to delete only a particular row which belongs to a particular view, then you should go with delete from view name, where what is the condition you want to write. After that, when it selected, okay, that row is or the records are going to be removed from the view that was created. This is how we can delete the view. Suppose if you want to create a view, some columns are not supposed to with null or not null, certain constraints you want to insert, then you should go with check option keyword. Okay, so how to create a check option for a view? Okay, so create view name as select followed by the column name from which table and where condition we used right. Instead, if there is no condition, only you want to set it with it is not supposed to be null, then how to write it? You have to mention the column is not null with check option. Okay, that means this view doesn't allow any insertion of data, okay, which is not supposed to be with the null. Okay, so if you want to insert values into this into this view, okay, or it fetches, okay, with the values which are not null alone will be fetched against this particular column, and those details are going to be fetched or insert, okay, any operations you can perform, but this column is not supposed to be null against this view. So this is how with the help of view you can set some not null options, okay, for a particular column. So all these are the details about the views. So far we have discussed about different type of views, okay. Simple view, complex view, inline view, materialized view. Simple view, you can work with single table where group by and other functions are impossible. But you can perform manipulations like insertion, deletion, updation. Complex view, multiple tables you can combine and you can view it, but it is you can use group by functions and any other functions, but it cannot perform with any data manipulations operations. Inline view, a view followed by a subquery as well. Okay, then it gives you a complex, it works along with the complex view. So multiple tables also you can use it. Materialized view, the view which is created, you want to store it permanently, then you should go for the keyword materialized view. So you have to create a view. So as per the syntax, you have to create a view, and then if you go with the select statement,